What's up guys, it's me Shruti and welcome back to my channel Shruti Laza, and today we are going to talk about the series review of Into the Unknown or the making of Frozen 2. So that being said, I'm ready, you are ready, even the camera is ready, even Alexa is ready. Alexa, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
See? So, without any further ado, let's get started. Wait. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notification whenever I'm on YouTube. So last time I talked about a review video, it was like 2 weeks ago, my The Fault in Our Stars book review video, and because it was such a massive hit, at least according to my channel and my viewers, so I decided to make another review video. But this time we are not talking about a book, rather we are talking about a web series about my favorite movie, Frozen 2. At least one of my animated favorite movies. I have thousands of them. So Frozen 2 was really special and really magical because I was obsessed with Frozen, and I was just like 6 when the first Frozen movie came out, and I was in love with Elsa, Anna, Sven, Kristoff and Olaf, and I used to tune that let it go every time, and it just randomly in any part of the day you can hear me singing that song. And it was so good that I decided that I should watch Frozen 2 as well, because it was the sequel of my favorite movie Frozen. So I decided to watch, but I watched it 1 year after its release and I fell in love with it. So I decided to watch how it was made, Into the Unknown Frozen 2 making. So I fell in love with this web series as well. If it's Disney, I'm watching it. So Into the Unknown shows you how and why the makers work so hard for this Disney Animated Studios movies, because it is magic. Disney is magic. Disney is pixie dust. Disney has everything that a child would want or a teenager would want in a movie, and even adults would want that in a movie. So this web series show you that Disney Animation Studios is the place where all the pixie dust is sprinkled, where all the magic takes place. And this is what is so special about this show, and this is something very different than we are used to watch on any OTT platform. And I just love this web series because it shows how so like different and so high resolution animation takes place, and I'm really interested in all that stuff, like technical stuff. So animation is also very difficult and very aspiring to many people, and I aspire it a lot, and I wanted to watch how this animation took place. And wow, Frozen 2 has some pretty amazing animation, and it is never seen before in any animated movies, and Disney got 6 years to make this movie. So you would hope that it is very good, and your hopes took form of the movie, and it is really good and really good, and you should watch it. I suggest you to watch it. And Into the Unknown now is one of my favorite songs. Okay, so Into the Unknown, the making, the web series is just perfect for you if you want to know what or how the animation takes place. And that's it for this video. And wait, today's question is, what is your favorite animated Disney movie? And put that in the comment section below. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, I'll put the link down below in the description box. And that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe, and hit the like button and the bell button and all the buttons, and but not the dislike button. If you didn't like it, you can hit it, but if you liked it, don't hit it. It is really catastrophic. Yeah. So anyways, bye Samantha. Wait, I don't even know Samantha. Anyways, bye bye.